Can never go wrong with a good mist. Hydrate, hydrate your locks. Let's do it. Happy Monday, everyone. Natalia here from Locs, and today I am very excited to share with you the products that I am now selling. The products that I will be talking about in this video can all be found through my website, ulocs.com. You can also find these products on my Etsy store and Instagram store. If you search Locs or Locs Quality Lock Care, it should bring you to the right link to find these products. So I partnered with two incredible Canadian brands, and I am so proud and honored to be an official retailer for these two brands. And it's super exciting, and let's get into it. First up, I would like to introduce you all to Noggin Oil. This is an amazing product line created by two phenomenal humans, Brian Phillips from World Salon and Karen Wallington from Mod Locks. They both are based in Toronto, Ontario, and if you haven't met them already, please go check them out. They are super kind humans, and they are amazing in the hair industry. I'll leave you their Instagram handles in the comment section below so you can go check them out after. What I love most about Noggin Oil is that it is so well thought out, okay? Check this out. So this is one of the products. This is Replenish. It might be hard to see because my ring light is super bright. So to give you an idea, this is Replenish. So once you get it, all you have to do, unscrew the top, and look, guys, it rolls on. It rolls on, okay? Can't really see, but yeah, it rolls on. So all you do is this. You go through your sections. So easy, mess-free, and it's so quick. So quick. Look at that. Look at that. So quick. And look, my hands are dry. No mess. It's so cool. I love it. Replenish gives you gentle relief for dry or irritated scalp. The Chill gives you temporary scalp relief, and this one can be used for braiding, dreadlocking, twisting, or rolling hair. And the last one is Glow, and Glow is good for, it's an oil treatment actually, for extra dry scalp. So you have your Glow, Replenish, and Chill. So if you are a loctician, these products are great to use before doing your maintenance or after the maintenance. If you are a client, same thing applies. Great to use before or after. And it can also be used for your home care, for your daily hydrating regimen as well. So these are the three phenomenal products for the Noggin Oil product line. And then Noggin Oil also has this super cool product called Wash. And with Wash, it will clean your noggin. So it will lift away impurities, sebum, dirt, and pollution from your dreads. And what's really cool is that you don't need soap and water, okay? As a mobile loctician, this right here is so great because I don't need to dunk your head in the kitchen sink, okay? I just need this wash. And what's super cool is that on all these products, actually, I know you can't see, but they have the instructions. The instructions are all written out, super easy to follow. It's clean, it's neat, and it's amazing. With the wash, the Noggin Oil wash, I will also be dropping a video shortly of how I like to use it on my clients. So super excited about that so that you can see how I like to use it as well. This whole product line is so well thought out, so I am so happy that I am retailing these for you. Go check them out. As well, I updated 2 new services on Ulocs. You go on my site to book a service with me. You'll see at the top there's a category, and it's called Noggin Oil Luxury. Noggin Oil Luxury for $200. It includes the wash. So I'm going to wash your dreads, get them nice and clean. Then we go into roughly 2 hours of maintenance for your dreadlocks. And then at the end, you get the 3 Noggin Oil products, the Glow, Chill, and Replenish, to take home. So that is the Noggin Oil Luxury deal that I am now offering. Super excited about that. As well, the second category, you will see Noggin Oil Plus One. So the Noggin Oil Plus One for $143, I believe, you get 2 hours of maintenance. As well, you get to choose one of the 3 Noggin Oil products to take home at the end. And also when I finish your service, I will use the product that you choose on your scalp before you leave. So you get to choose either the Glow, Replenish, or Chill. So that's super cool as well. If you are living in the Montreal area, you are welcome to come pick up any of the products that I have presented to you. As well, if you place your order through me online on my site, I do ship, so it's me who ships out your order. For whatever reason, if you are unable to purchase any of the products through me, you are all welcome to go on the Noggin Oil website, nogginoil.com, and I have a discount code. So the discount code that you all are welcome to use is ULOCS10. So ULOCS then number 10. It can be written all capitals or all lowercase, and it gives you 10% off your order. So that's also a possibility for those that are unable to purchase directly through me. The second brand that I am so proud to be representing and retailing and supporting is Up North Naturals. Creator, owner, and founder Lisa Kaiser. Up North Naturals is a Black-owned business and another beautiful product line, also coming to you from Toronto, Ontario. The 2 products that I have for y'all are Up North Naturals Healthy Edges Smoothing Gel with castor oil and rosemary. So for y'all that want to have those edges slayed and looking right, this should be your go-to. This should be your number 1. It smells great, it's light, and you can't go wrong. Hands down, I promise. You will not regret it. Number 2, for all my kinky, curly, nappy-haired friends and my dreadheads, if you're looking for the perfect oil to keep your hair moisturized, feeling good, light, and smelling good, Mesdames et Messieurs, the 8 Oil Blend. Now let me tell you, when I first had this oil touch my scalp, I fell in love just like that. This oil is so light and it does not bring any residue into your locks, and it smells amazing. So 8-oil blend should be your best friend. And that wraps up for Up North Naturals. Super excited to be selling and retailing their products for you all, and I am such a proud supporter of Up North Naturals as well. So that wraps up my video of all the products that I am selling and updates on my services. I will put all the links below of all important information, all the Instagram handles that you all need to start following and checking out, and as well my booking link to get your dreadlocks looking right again. And thank you to everyone who has supported me from the start. I'm super proud and super honored that you all trust me to keep your locks looking right and giving you the quality lock care that you all deserve. So that's it from me. Have a great week, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.